In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Loom with GoHighLevel, add Loom video to GoHighLevel websites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a Loom video into GoHighLevel using the built-in editor so it displays cleanly and works reliably. Before we begin, make sure you have a Loom video ready with a shareable URL. Keep that link handy because we'll paste it directly into GoHighLevel in a moment. Start at your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the marketing section. From there, go into emails. This route lets us use the drag and drop editor, which makes adding a Loom video straightforward and gives you a clear preview of how it will look. In the emails area, choose Create Campaign. You may be prompted to confirm a few basics, so the platform can open the builder. Just proceed so you land in the template selection screen. When you see the template choices, select blank. This gives us a clean slate, which is helpful when you want full control over layout and spacing around your video. Next, choose the design editor. This is the visual builder with a content panel on one side and a live preview on the other, so you can see changes as you make them. Once the editor opens, locate the video element in the content panel and drag it onto your canvas. Place it where you want your Loom video to appear. After you've dropped it in, open the video settings. Look for the video type option. This tells GoHighLevel what service you're using so it can handle the embed correctly. Choose Loom from the available options. Now paste your Loom video URL into the provided field. As soon as you paste, GoHighLevel will detect the link and generate a preview. Give the preview a moment to load so you can verify the correct thumbnail and playback behavior. If your thumbnail looks off, double-check that you're using the direct Loom share link and that the video is accessible based on your Loom privacy settings. A quick tip: many email clients limit true embedded playback, so GoHighLevel typically uses a clickable thumbnail that opens the Loom video reliably. That's normal and helps ensure consistent viewing across devices. Also, keep your video concise and your surrounding copy clear to encourage clicks. That's the full process. You've just integrated Loom with GoHighLevel by adding your Loom video via the video block, selecting Loom as the type, and pasting your URL. From here, you can continue designing your message and preview it to make sure everything looks great on desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching, and happy